Your land is underwater? No worries. Turn the water into a farm. This is floating agriculture. Each raft is made from local waste. No concrete, no machines. The cost is just 500 to 1,000 rupees per unit. Plant on top. Roots hang in water. Within 30 to 45 days, you harvest, even in monsoons. Markets love these fresh, chemical-free veggies. Earn 30,000 to 50,000 rupees per season, even in flood-hit zones. This is climate-proof agriculture. From Sundarbans to Uganda, floating farms are the future. Comment "float" to get a free floating farm starter guide. Subscribe to Nirvana Akamp Nivesh for smart rural innovations.